Welcome back, Acadiana. We had a few showers last night and also a few lingering showers earlier this morning. Now, this system did not produce too much in the way of rainfall. We either had a tenth of an inch or some areas had about half an inch. So still beneficial for us since it has been dry the last couple of days. But this will actually be the last time that we'll see rainfall for at least a couple of days before we get another system in here by the middle of next week. And here are those rain chances for the next 7 days. Still remaining dry all the way through at least Tuesday. We'll start to see those rain chances slightly increase as we get further into Tuesday night and the middle of next week. And right now, best chance of rain rolling in Wednesday night into at least Thursday. But each of these days are carrying a rain chance, so we can still get some scattered showers here and there all the way through next weekend. So transitioning to what's popular in the weather world is our winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings, mostly for Georgia. It does stretch just a little bit into the panhandle of Florida, but right there in the pink is that winter storm warning for heavy snow expected, and they can receive anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of that snow, and around that in the light blue for that winter weather advisory up to at least 1 inch. But forecasting the snow in the south is pretty tricky. It depends on the location of the front that'll pass through, also temperatures at the surface and that moisture in the atmosphere to really produce some snow. So may see that all come into play for tonight into early Sunday. So right here is that graph model of the model snow. Panhandle Florida may get some flurries out there, but the main snowfall will be in central Georgia, and that will eventually push off towards the east. And temperatures, those will steadily increase well above freezing going into Sunday afternoon. So we'll remain dry for the rest of tonight into tomorrow. Still a few showers out there around the Gulf Coast, but as you can tell after midnight around the coastal part of Alabama is where that snowfall will start to mix, and then it does grow in size going into daybreak hours for tomorrow and still pushing off towards the east. Man, that snow will likely exit out of Georgia before the afternoon really takes off for tomorrow, and by the evening hours on Sunday everyone is pretty dry and cool. So our temperatures for today topped out mostly in the 50s. We didn't change temperatures too much over the last 24 hours, but temperatures tonight a lot colder in the upper 20s or mid 20s for inland parishes, around 26 in Alexandria, 28 degrees in Oakdale, Ville Platte, 27 in Opelousas, and along Interstate 10 still in the upper 20s to low 30s, but temperature is just a little bit higher right at the freezer mark in Morgan City. Now light freeze is expected for tonight, and then for tomorrow afternoon still a cool day or chilly day out there in the upper 40s to low 50s, so we don't warm up too much, but at least we'll have more in the way of sunshine because it was very cloudy on this Saturday. Now we are expecting another light freeze for Sunday night into early Monday, with temperatures mostly in the mid 20s to low 30s again, and then highs for Monday in the upper 50s to low 60s. So with that 10-day forecast, we'll see those temperatures drop off again on Tuesday into the upper 50s, but after that we'll mostly stay in the 60s towards the end of next week along with higher rain chances. Stay tuned, we'll have another look at that 10-day forecast later in the show.